Come with us to the farmer's market. Push, push, push. Getting some tomatoes, some peppers. Look how big this pepper is. Getting some pears and apples, some zucchini, and some broccolini. Okay, we're back home. The fridge is looking stocked. I got this delicious ricotta veggie focaccia at the farmer's market, and I have all these fresh veggies and some cream cheese. I'm gonna do this as if this were a bagel, and then I'll put some of this smoked salmon on Matt's.